Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Saturday morning. Stupendous Saturday. I just got back from Bel Air Market because I decided that I'm going to cook dinner tonight. But I'll get to that in a second because I had a kind of an interesting experience at the store. So I was just getting into the checkout line and a tall, slender man with a ball cap on walked by and kind of gave me a salute and said, "Good morning, and how are you doing?" And I'm like, I actually thought it was a friend of mine. And then I really gave him a good look. And because of some features, which I won't go into because I don't want to sound like I'm discriminating, like, actually, he had some missing teeth. But, so I saw the missing teeth, I'm like, okay, this isn't my friend. So have you ever just been somewhere and somebody says, you know, hello and how are you doing? And, you know, being very cordial. And you just go, who was that? I had that moment. Yeah. Okay. So, all right. Back to our regular programming. I decided this morning, and I cleared it with Robin. Not that I really need to clear anything with her when it comes to food. But I got her okay. That's a great idea. Actually, she was perfect, was her quote. I'm doing breakfast for dinner. Why not? Let me show you what I got going on. Got some hardware. Yes, I love my nonsticks. And I got the pan for bacon. And we'll get to that bottle in a few minutes. All right, I'm going to be doing O'Brien potatoes. And some sausage. I love these little Farmer John link sausage. And bacon. Yes, got to have bacon. Of course, there's eggs. I'm going to be doing a Mexican or Latino inspired scramble, which will have, you know, of course, the Brian's, you know, basically the potato and the eggs are going to be sharing some of this red bell pepper, red onion, and I picked up a bottle of diced jalapenos. I'll be using some cream. Yes, I like cream in my eggs. No hate mail. Some cream. There'll be some Mexican oregano, Mexican basil, and cilantro going on in these dishes. Of course, you see some garlic. I'll be, you know, of course, there's garlic involved. And we'll be topping it off, which I don't have out here, but there's some cheddar cheese in the cold box. Some fresh salsa from the store, creme fraiche, sour cream. You know, depending on, which one. I'll probably do the creme fraiche tonight, and we'll see what Robin goes, either sour cream or creme fraiche. But I want to use up this creme fraiche. So, economically, this meal will be much less than if Robin and I went out tonight. I know I normally don't talk about finances, but one of the reasons why I cook so much in this last basically year is to save money. And we get great food. So just by going to the store this morning and picking up some staples, some items that I was running low on or just needed to get, I'm going to save money on dinner tonight. And I'll have stuff, some supplies for future meals. So back to this bottle. This is a new product from California Olive Ranch. The olive oil itself is not new. It's the bottle. Now, as working as a chef, we had squeeze bottles all the time in our kitchens with various things. And I've done various squeeze bottles here in this kitchen in years past. And I would love to have another squeeze, I've always wanted another squeeze bottle within this last, several months, because you can control it better, control the flow. But I don't want to buy a 6-pack of squeeze bottles. Doesn't make sense. So I saw this. I was looking for some mineral oil, some food grade mineral oil. I got a couple boards that need some help. A couple cutting boards. that needs some help, needs some moisture. So I saw this, I'm like, about time. All right, enough on my soapbox or my sales pitch. Great idea. Check it out in your market if you like squeeze bottles. And the cap does come off, by the way. I tried it in the store. Okay, so I'm playing Weatherman. The weather's going to be kind of iffy this weekend. Yeah, it poured last night before Robin got home. Oh, last night. I didn't even talk about last night. Last night, we did Papa Murphy's. Great, inexpensive meal. We did, because I put the debate, what causes food debates. We did our own Hawaiian pizza. I was against Hawaiian pizzas in almost my entire life. So we tried an experiment, and we've stuck with it, is I put crushed pineapple on our pizzas. So we actually, I had to run to the store yesterday to get it, but I bought a little can of crushed pineapple. But Robin did something wonderful with the pizza she ordered. It was, the ham, and the typical things, but then she put jalapenos on that pizza, and then we added the crushed pineapple. God, it was good. It's gone. There's no leftovers. All right, enough about me. Have a great Saturday. Eat great food and have fun cooking.